How to enable silent mode on iOS 26 on your iPhone. This can be done in various ways. First, wipe down from the control panel, then tap on this button, tap on this do not disturb. This will activate the silent mode. It means you're not going to receive call notification or alerts on your device. Then go ahead and come out of this place. The next process is to use the silent mode button on your device. If you are able to turn it like this, you see that the silent mode is enabled, or you do it like this, then the silent mode is also disabled. You can use that button to disable and enable silent mode on your device on iOS 26. Then you can as well use the settings option. Tap on settings, then scroll down to haptic and sound. Then you can use this volume to enable the silent mode. You can see it enabled, and when this comes up like this, then it also disable the silent mode on your iPhone. So these are the simple steps to enable and disable silent mode on iOS 26. If you get this tip and if not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.